What's up, guys, and welcome back to Wake Up Entertainment. So, Operation Dudula and the SA Human Rights Commission, they've been going at each other for quite some time now. And what has happened is that Operation Dudula celebrated a huge victory against the SA Human Rights Commission. So the SA Human Rights Commission had gone to the Durban High Court to try and stop Operation Dudula and the members of the March and March from blocking foreign nationals from accessing public health care. So their application was struck off the roll by a Durban High Court judge. So that is what happened. The judge dismissed the matter and ruled, that uh, the matter that was presented by the SA Human Rights Commission was not urgent. So the members of Operation Dudula in March and March, they began celebrating outside the court, calling it a huge victory. And of course it was. However, there is a caution, striking off the roll doesn't necessarily mean a full judgment on the merits. What that means, it's like Operation Dudula has not fully won the case at the moment. It just means that the judge decided the case was not urgent and is not going to be heard right away at the moment. However, as a Human Rights Commission can still bring the case later on through other normal processes. I'll catch you guys on the next one.